that one man can change the world.
What's up, YouTube? The Honda project is actually getting very, very close to paint. Like, we probably maybe 3 videos away, 2 videos away from paint. At least from you guys seeing the color, at least the door jamb. So what I'm doing in this video, I am going to paint the trim along the bottom. Now, you guys know I work on classics, so this is a classic Honda, but you know the type of classics I work on. So you know that plastic trim around the bottom is not, oh my god, the phone already. So that plastic trim along the bottom is not generally a thing for the type of cars that I work on. So oh my god, you guys see what I'm saying when I tell y'all it blow up over here? It's crazy. Anyway, so the trim, I was saying that the trim under the bottom is not something that I have to commonly deal with on the American classics that normally come to the shop. So I had to stock up on some things that I don't normally get, like this. So this is trim and bumper paint by Duplicolor. And now the reason, originally I was going to paint all of that to match the car. I was going to paint it. Then I started looking at it. I'm like, nah, I want to break it up a little bit. So then I was going to paint it, you know, with regular auto paint, just make it gloss black. But then, you know, I thought about it, like, you know, I don't know how often she's going to wash this car. I don't know. That may take a little beating down there. So, you know, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to make it fresh. I'm going to keep it what it is. There's no need in putting in that extra work for the bottom, and you know, she don't even wash the car. So who knows? So anyway, I bought this, the Duplicolor Trim and Bumper paint. And with this paint, it's supposed to take care of stuff like down here. Now let me show you guys something. So I took off this. This is the rocker panel trim. Hold on, let me adjust. This is the rocker panel trim off of the driver's side. See? Now there's some overspray on it because originally I was going to paint it, and so I was a little careless with the taping initially, but I've decided not to, so I have to make it look good again. So the reason I took it off the car, now if you guys are going to do this, you don't have to take your plastic, the moldings and all that stuff off the car, but the reason I took it off is, hold on, because there is some more rust, as you see, that I need to fix. So for that reason, I took it off the car so I can fix the rust and I can take care of that. Now hold on, let me go to the other side, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, so I'm on the passenger side of the car, and you see this car, this side, same thing, same issues. So I have to remove this rocker as well, but as you see right now, it's still on the car. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. But this stuff is supposed to work on everything. I'm gonna respray this. I got a couple of things around the car that I'm gonna hit, and the rest of it I'm not gonna pull off. I'm just gonna tape up the bottom of the bumper and then just respray around the front and the back bumpers. I'm not gonna remove the trim from it. And that's it. So on that note, wait, before I even get there. So according to Duplicolor, they're saying all you got to do is wash this thing and spray it. Let it dry and then spray it with this Duplicolor. But I'm going to do a little more prep than that. I'm going to scuff it. I would just feel a little more comfortable. I'd hate to do all this work and then it peels off. So I'm going to do a little scuffing. And I'm probably going to wipe it down with alcohol just to make sure. And then I'm going to spray this. Alright, so let's get to work.